What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to customize the Google search widget on Android. First open the widget and then click on the Google icon. Then on the bottom right click on more, and here you can see customize widget. Click on it and now you have 4 options at the bottom. The first one is choosing between a text and the icon. I personally like this one. The second option is the roundness of the widget itself. You can have it like a square, or you can have it round, or something in between. The third option is the color. Here the first one is the default one. Then you have a brighter one and a darker one. And the last option is a custom color. At the top you have the color slider. Choose a color you like. And on the bottom you have the brightness of the widget. I personally like it being a bit darker. And the last option is the widget being see-through or solid. You can have it completely solid, or you can have it a bit see-through. And when you are finished, just click done.